WULF stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Terawulf stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Ultimately looking at WULF, this is a solid bullish market, and without the price actually giving me a double break or anything, I'm not going to randomly buy. Now I've talked about this, but you can see beforehand was looking to milk it up. It went up, but it went from a little bit lower, and that was not ideal. And then I had this win here. This is very solid, but like randomly buying will not be happening. Here's my demand zone. And the one thing that I will care most about is the price pulling a bit lower and then giving me the shift. Right? If that doesn't happen, bro, I don't care. I'm not gonna be buying. And people can over exaggerate, do whatever they freaking want. But what I'll be doing is just waiting for my rules. And if they're not met, then Gucci, you know, no bueno, I'm not buying. Let me know what is your opinion. All I have here is me waiting for my rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks, emails, sauce, and all that good jazz for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.